everybody. Today we are going to learn about the course outcome of cell biology. Cell biology is a paper number 2 of BSc first year SEM 1. BSc is our program as per the University of Gondwana University Gadchiroli. Okay. Then Gondwana University decided, Board of Study in Zoology decided there are 2 papers for the BSc first and SEM 1. That is, paper 1 is non-coordinate and paper 2 is cell biology. I am myself is Dr. Aryan Chavan, and we are going to learn about the cell biology, cytology in details. Here in the video, we are going to learn about the course outcomes of the cell biology. What is the course outcome of the cell biology? Here are the course outcome of the cell biology. First course outcomes of the cell biology cytology paper is to know the fundamental principles and unifying fact of the cell biology. Then second course outcome of the cell biology cytology study is to study the cell theory, prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, animal cells and plant cells. Third outcomes of this paper is to know the osmosis, diffusion, active transport, passive transport with the help of examples. The fourth outcomes of the cell biology is to study the different models, sandwich model and fluid mosaic model. The fifth outcomes of the cell biology is to study the cell organelles, that is Golgi complex, ribosome, lysosome, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, etc. And sixth course outcome of this paper is to know the structure and function of nucleus, nucleolus and chromosome. Let us start the syllabus of the paper cell biology, that is paper 2 in zoology for the BSc first year SEM 1. Okay. Unit number 1, it comprises the cell theory and biological membrane. In cell theory, we are going to learn about the prokaryotic theory, organismal theory, then types of cells, that is prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. In biological membrane, that is the cell membrane, we are going to learn more details about the chemical composition and structure, and the model, that is the sandwich model, fluid mosaic model as such. Also, we are going to learn or to study the osmosis, active transport, passive transport, then exocytosis, endocytosis, pinocytosis and phagocytosis. This is our outcomes of the unit number 1. Okay. Then in this unit number 1, these outcomes can be fulfilled by the studying of the cell. It is a functional and structural unit of the cells, discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. We are also going to learn more details about the different types of cells, that is the prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Then we are also going to learn more details about the functions of the cell, then transport across the cell membrane. In this membrane, in this unit, we fulfill our course outcomes. Okay. Then in the second unit, the syllabus of the second unit is it has nucleus study and chromosome study. In nucleus, we are going to learn more details about its occurrence, position, morphology, ultrastructure, composition, function of nuclear membrane, nuclear pores and complex. Okay, such study we are going to learn in unit number 2, and we fulfill our outcomes to know the structure and function of the nucleus. Second, then we also know the structure and function of the nucleus. We also know the structure and function of the chromosome. The nucleolus, we are going to study more detail in this unit, that is the structural and functional study of the nucleus. The chromosome, you know that it is a hereditary unit. It has structures in types, nucleolus model, and there are two special types of chromosome, that is the Lamprecht chromosome and polytene chromosomes. And different types of chromosome we are going to learn in this unit. And through this unit, we fulfill our course outcome, that is to know the structure and function of the nucleus, to know the structure and function of the nucleolus, to know the structure and function types of the chromosomes. Then unit number 3, our course outcome is to study the cell organelles, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi complex. Through this study of unit number 3, we are going to learn more detail about the mitochondria, mitochondria's ultrastructure, electron transport system, and oxidative phosphorylation. Then ER, endoplasmic reticulum, that is, in this study we are going to learn through the diagrammatic pictures, with the help of diagrammatic pictures of endoplasmic reticulum, its structures, its types, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And also we are going to learn more details about the function of the endoplasmic reticulum. And in this unit also we are going to learn about the Golgi complex structure and functions. So our course outcome is to study the cell organelles, that is the mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi complex. These are the cell organelles, and this cell are also, and unit number 4 is, it has also a two cell organelles, that is the lysosome, ribosome and cell cycle. Okay. In lysosome, we are going to learn more about the structure, function and polymorphism. In ribosome, we are going to learn more details about the structures, like models, its types, biogenesis of ribosomes and functions of ribosome and polyribosomes. Okay. In cell cycle, we are going to learn more details about the mitosis, meiosis and its significance. And the course outcome of the unit number 4 is to study the cell organelles like the lysosome and ribosome. And most of the course outcomes we fulfill through the 4 unit of the cell biology paper number 2. Once again, we repeated our course outcome is to know the fundamental principles and unifying fact of the cell biology, to study the cell theory, to study the prokaryotic cells, to study the eukaryotic cells, to study the animal cells, to study the plant cells, to know the osmosis process, to know the diffusion process, to know the active and passive transport with the help of example, to study the different models, sandwich model, fluid mosaic model, to study the cell organelles like Golgi complex, ribosome, lysosome, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria. These are the cell organelles we are going to study details in this cell biology papers, and to know the structure and functions of nucleus, nucleolus and chromosomes. These are our course outcomes. I hope that you are getting well the course outcomes and syllabus of the paper number 2, that is the cell biology. It is also known as a cytology. And all topics you have to find in, you have to observe, you have to see on my YouTube channel. There is RNC YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.